Today we're working on a 5 Series BMW. What we're going to show you how to do is how to remove this lower panel to get access to the cast module. First step is you're going to remove this little carpet panel here right beside the center console. In order to remove this, you're going to pull it backwards. When you slide it backwards, it'll come right out. Now you've got one screw holding here in the center console, you've got one towards the back on the same side, and you've got 3 screws underneath. Now we've taken all the 5 screws off, we can lower the panel. Towards the center underneath the steering, you're going to unclip it from each side. This is going to allow the panel to lower and pull it out towards you. You're going to disconnect the one red speaker plug. And you can just pull outwards on the panel. And now you've got access to the cast module, which is on the left upper side.